Hello, welcome back to another video of number system. In this video we'll talk about how we can convert a binary fraction to decimal conversion. Okay, in our previous video we already discussed about that if there will be a binary number and if there will be without a fraction number, then how we can convert it we have discussed. But in this section you can see there is a point over here, and after that we have 1 0 1. So in this case what do we have to do, we'll discuss about that. So as you can see that we have 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, seventh position from 0 to starting position, and if you will go in this position then it will be -1 -2 and -3 positions, okay, in the binary number system. So in this case what we have to do, we have to take each and every digits one by one. Also we have to take the digit also after the point over here that we can see here. So for this one we have this one, for this particular one we have this one, for this 0 we have this 0, after that we have a 1, so we can see, you can see that is 1 here, then 2 0 is there, so this 1 0, this 0, after that 2 1 is there, okay, so this one is the 1 and this one is the 1, and after that point you can see 1 0 1 is there, so this one is the 1, then for this one 0 is there, now this one is the 0 and 1 is there, you can see 1 is there, and this one is the 2 to the power 7th position, so that's why the number system we are using here, the radix is basis 2 and the position is 7, so that's why we are multiplying it by 2 to the power 7. So likewise 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 0, and after that point what we have to do, we have to use the -1 position. So for this one, and there will be 2 to the power -1, for this one 2 to the power -2, for this one we have 2 to the power 3, and if there will be any other number then we have to decrease it by one, okay, like 2 to the power -4, 2 to the power -5, like this way. Now we have to calculate 1 into 2 to the power 7, that is 128, 1 into 2 to the power 6, that is 64, and 0 is multiplied by something, that will be 0, 1 into 2 to the power 4, that is 16, again for this 2 will be 0 0, and after that 1 into 2 to the power 1, that will be 2, and 1 into 2 to the power 0, that will be 1, because 2 to the power 0 equals 1, then 1 into 1 means 1, and then we have to calculate like this way, 1 into 2 to the power -1, so 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power -1 means 1 by 2, okay, so that's why it will be 0.5, because 1 by 2 equals to 0.5, and then again 0 into something will be 0, and this one 1 into 2 to the power -3 equals to 0.125, and then we have to sum all the digits that is present over here. So if we'll sum it up, it will be 211, and then after the point position, so if we'll sum this one section, it will be 0.625, okay, and this section it will be 211. So and you can see that base is 10 over here, that means we have successfully converted it to the binary number system to decimal number system. So this one is the base 2 and this one will be the base 10, and to practice you can convert it, this particular binary this particular decimal number system to binary system, to check it up that you have done it successfully. So I hope you understood that how can convert a binary fraction point as well to the decimal number system. So if you have any question you can ask it in the comment section. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.